Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all well. So in today's video I created a set of gel polish nails using some gel polishes that I got from Miss You Beauty. I went with a pink theme, pink and a lilac colour. I worked on my short nails, my natural nails. I don't have any acrylics on or flexi press tips or anything like that. They are just my natural nails. I thought I'd have a change, just, you know, have a change. So I hope you enjoy my video. I shall get started. So to begin with, here is my thumb. I apply a layer of base coat which I cure in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. And then I go in with my gel polish, which is Candy Shop 05. It's probably one of my ultimate favourite colours in the whole wide world. So I apply 2 coats of this colour, curing each coat in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. So then I apply a matte top coat to my nails and cure that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. And then with this diamond glitter in the shade Athena, I apply a 3D heart to my nail and I cure that in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. And then I go over that with my non-wipe UV gel top coat. I just go over it over the heart and cure that for 60 seconds just so that the rest of the nail is still in my matte design. So then on my forefinger I went in with an unusual design. I'm just wiping off the tacky layer from my gel polish here. And I'm using foils to apply gel polish in a straight line. The gel polishes that I'm using are my 4-in-1 gel polishes from Miss You Beauty. So as you can see there, it comes out as a really straight line, which I am just over the moon with. So I apply the colour. Then I remove the foil, then I cure it in my LED lamp for 30 seconds and then I apply the foil again, apply the colour, peel it off and cure it in the LED lamp, and I just do that with the whole nail there. And then I go in with my Pro Gel in the shade Coral Rose and just draw lines where I've created other lines. And then I cure that for 30 seconds in my LED lamp and I apply top coat and cure for 60 seconds. So my middle nail was pretty basic, but it's also one of my favourite forms of nail art. I just applied my colour and then I went in with Athena in the diamond glitter, started at the cuticle area and just faded it down. So it was in an ombre style. And then I cure that for 30 seconds in my LED lamp, followed by my non-wipe UV gel top coat and cure for 60 seconds. So my ring finger, I went in with chrome powder. So I'm just applying my non-white UV gel top coat to the nail, which I cure for about 40 seconds. Then I've got my chrome powders in the shade Magic Rose and Galaxy. So Magic Rose, I just go around the cuticle area and just sort of fade it down, and then Galaxy, I go at the tip of the nail and sort of blend them together. I didn't do an excellent job of blending them together, but I did kind of like the effect that I got from it, so I was pleased with that. And then I went in with my top coat and cured that in the lamp for 60 seconds. And then on my little finger, I went in with my foil transfer gel, which I cured for 30 seconds. And then I applied my foil to my nails. I just dotted it in different places. It kind of ended up looking like one of those little mini eggs, which I absolutely adore. And then I just applied top coat and cured that for 60 seconds. And I really like this effect. And so this is the final result, which I was really happy with. It was lovely and pink, my favourite colours. So I hope you enjoyed this design too. Let me know what you think, guys. So thank you so much for watching my video this week, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. As always, if you did, please give me a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. And I shall see you in my next video. Take care and stay safe, guys. Bye.